Hey, it's Nate with Kilt Scan Do. Today we will be installing the new CDI, the computer on the box. It tells the bike how much, or the engine, how much spark it needs to run consistent. We will be partially installing the carburetor and a couple other small items. Let's see if we can get this thing started today. So remember, comment, like, and subscribe. Let's do this. Now remember, anytime you're doing anything with the electrical on the bike, so that you don't short circuit anything, you want to disconnect the battery. The easiest way to do that is just to disconnect the ground. You don't need to disconnect everything. And make sure that the key is turned off. So there's that, and another little cable. Oh, that's where that goes. Now, as you probably remember from the last video about the CDI, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 9, 10. These last two up top are not used. Took a while to get this one in. It is an original. I could not find any aftermarket that would work without me redoing the connections and everything. And since I didn't feel comfortable doing that, I didn't. We ordered one, and that has been delayed for 3 months. Why? I don't know. It was in stock when I ordered it. They said they were shipping it, and then the day it was supposed to be shipped, they sent me an email saying it's in back order. So I had to go to another site and pray that I could get it. I actually ordered this off eBay. One of the forums I was watching, somebody sent me a message and said, hey, are you still looking for one? And I said, yes. And they said, we've got someone, we know someone on eBay that just listed this. And anytime we bought anything from him in the past, super quick shipping. So I was like, oh, awesome. Ordered it. It was $100 cheaper than the last one I ordered. So that's nice. That's $100 we can do something else with. And it came in a day before the specified day it was supposed to be here. So that's exciting. So we're going to do that quick and easy. Once again, battery disconnected. The big plug, which has the waterproof connection inside, goes to the big one. The little one goes to the little one. That's complicated. All right. From a previous attempt, I did find that these connectors, which go to the ignition and the handlebars, the green and the red, do have to be connected. Otherwise, nothing will happen. So that's never a good thing. So this time I've got those connected. I've got the battery disconnected. I'll get that in a second. All right, so here's the carburetor. I did a slight cleaning, not internal or anything like that. So it's not super clean. I'll do that in a while. I've got the rebuild kit on order if we need it. So here we go with this. All right, I did leave the original boot that was on there. I haven't taken that off at all. It's still on there pretty good. So what I'm going to do is just place it on there. I had paper towels in here to make sure nothing got in here or in this part of it, in this part. So I'm going to connect it, which should be fairly easy. All right, here's the choke, key. Ha, gotta hook up the battery. That's a fail for, let's see. All right. I also got some starter fluid to assist with this. So we should be able to just spray it in there. Oh, one thing I did find is if the rectifier is not grounded, nothing will happen to any of this. So let's get this over here. Let's see what we got. Oh, that sounds promising. Spray a little bit. Oh yeah, baby. We have spark and the engine is starting up. That's exciting. We weren't sure how far this was going to go. So yay. Yeah, this is exciting. It's the first time that it has been started in years. That is loud. It is very loud. And that's because we don't have a muffler on it at this time. And from the wife's expression out the window, she really likes that. So we may just rig up a small muffler that'll connect so it stays loud. Because it used to sound like a high-powered weed eater. It was like, zzz. It's not impressive at all. So yeah, we got that. Next thing we are going to be working on is I'm using the tank from the 250 here, and I'm going to put that on the 125. All right, so we're going to be using the Virago 225 tank on this. I think that if we can get it to fit on here good, that'll look badass. We'll figure it out. And we're still working on a paint scheme for the wife. She wants flake, so we're going to work on that. But our next project is we are going to clean this out, get the rust out of it. There's something in there. I think it was from the petcock. We're going to use muriatic acid, vinegar, water, or no vinegar, excuse me. Muriatic acid, water, baking soda, and alcohol to clean this out really good. I have to fabricate a piece where the petcock goes so nothing leaks out. So once again, comment, like, and subscribe. Check out the next video. I'm excited. I can't believe the bike started. Should we do that again? Key. Yes! Comment, like, and subscribe. Catch you guys later.